Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Okay. So children, the yesterday's class, what we done? Yes, we did write the missing letters. Is it? Yes. So we here in the today's class also we'll revise. We'll take revision. Write the missing letters. The pictures, chosen words from the helper box. Okay, so like this we'll write it in a revision class. Okay, so everyone take out your 4-line English notebook, take out a pencil and eraser and write it revision. Write the missing letter for each picture. So what is first, you have to see the picture, children. Okay, each picture you have to see it and you have to write the first letter. Okay. So for example, I will show you. So this picture is a house. So what is a house spelling? H-O-U-S-E, house. So which letter is missing here? H. So like this you have to write it. H-O-U-S-E, house. Okay, next picture is a kite. So what is a kite spelling? K-I-T-E. K-I-T-E. So which letter is missing here? K. So write it here. K letter. So capital letters you have to write it here, children. Why? Because so each letter pictures you have to write the capital letters. Okay. Next picture is a star. So what is the star spelling? S-T-A-R, star. S-T-A-R, star. So which letter is missing here? S. Is it? Yes. S-T-A-R, star. Okay. So next picture is what? Tree. So what is the tree spelling? T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. So which letter is missing here? T letter. So write it neatly. Okay. So next picture is a bat. Is it? Yes. So what is the bat spelling? B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. So which letter is missing here? B. So write it here. B letter. Okay. Yes. So next picture is a cup. C-U-P. So what is the spelling? Cup. C-U-P, cup. So which letter is missing here? C. So write it here. Okay. Next picture is the ice cream. So which picture it is? Ice cream. So what is the spelling ice cream? I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. So here which letter is missing? Yes, very good. I letter. So write it here. I. Okay, next picture is a jug picture. So what is a jug spelling? J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. So which letter is missing here? J. So write it here. J. J-U-G, jug. Okay. So next picture is what? Sun. So next picture is a sun. So what is the sun spelling? S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. So here which letter is missing? S. Is it? Yes. So write it here. S. S-U-N, sun. Okay. So like this you have to write the missing letters. Okay. Okay. Next here in the box, I had given the words cub, den, cat, pot, tin, net. So you have to see the pictures. So each picture you have to see and you have to write it here correct word. Okay? Yes. So which picture it is? First one. Cat picture. Is it? Yes. So what is the cat spelling? C-A-T, cat. So C-A-T, cat is there? Yes, so write it here. C-A-T, cat. So next picture is a pot picture. Is it? Yes. So here, what is the spelling? Pot. P-O-T, pot. Is it? So here is a pot spelling is there. So write it here. P-O-T, pot. Okay. So next picture is a what? Tin. Okay. So tin spelling is there. So what is the tin spelling? T-I-N, tin. So this is, we have to write it here. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. Okay. So like this you have to write it. Okay. Next picture is a what? Net. N-E-T, net. Is it? Yes. So here is the spelling. N-E-T, net. So write it here. N-E-T, net. So you know the pictures means you have to know the spelling also, children. Understood? Okay. So next picture is a den picture. Is it? Yes. So what is the den spelling? D-E-N, den. So here is the spelling. So write it here. D-E-N, den. D-E-N, den. So next picture is a cap picture. Is it? Yes. So what is the cap spelling? C-A-P, cap. Is it? C-A-P, cap. So write it here. C-A-P, cap spelling. C-A-P, cap. So like this you have to write it. Okay? Yes. Okay, next. Fill in the blanks with the vowels. Fill in the blanks with the vowels. So here children, I had given the vowels here. 5 vowels. So which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels. Is it? Yes. And I had given the word here. In that, some vowels are missing. So which vowel is missing? Correct one. You have to write it here. Okay? Okay. B-T. So which vowel will come here? B-A-T, bat. So it is the correct vowel. A. Yes. So write it here. A. B-A-T, bat. So already you know it. In the porridge, in the previous classes also I taught you children. Is it? Yes. So many times I taught you. Now you know very well. Okay. So in the today's class, we'll write direct. Okay. B-A-T, bat. So A is the missing vowel here. So next P-T. P-T, pet or P-O-T, pot. So any one you can write it here. So I will write it here. O vowel. P-O-T, pot. Okay. Next J-G. J-U-G, jug or J-O-G, jog. So any one you can write it here. Okay. So I will write it here. U, J-U-G. U vowel I will take it here and I will make it word J-U-G, jug. Next dash E-E. So here which vowel will come? Very good. Egg. E-G-G, egg. So write it here. E vowel. E-G-G, egg. Okay, next T-N. So which letter will come here? T-E-N, ten or T-I-N, tin. So any one you can write it here. Vowel. So I will write here I. T-I-N, tin. Okay. So next S-N-G. So here children, so which vowel is missing? Yeah, here I letter is missing. Okay, I vowel is missing here. S-I-N-G, sing. Sing means hadudu. Gana, gana. Okay, sing, S-I-N-G, sing. So I is vowel is a missing here. Okay, next S-N, S-U-N, sun, or S-O-N, sun. So any two you can write it here. Okay, so I will write it here, U letter. Okay, S-U-N, sun. So U vowel is a missing here. Next C-T. So here children, C-A-T, cat, C-O-T, cut. So any C-O-T, cot. So any one you can write it, A-O-U. Any one vowel you can write it here. Okay, I will write it here, O, C-O-T, cot. Okay, so like this you have to fill the vowels. Okay. So next here, how many vowels? Yes, very good, 5 vowels, is it? Yes. So write it here, number 5 number. How many vowels? 5 vowels. How many consonants? 21. So write it, 21. Okay. How many vowels? 5 vowels, is it? Yes. So which are the 5 vowels? So I here write A, E, I, O, U. So these are what? 5 vowels, is it? Yes. Okay. And in the remaining words, letters are consonants, 21 consonants. So which are the 21 consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are consonants. Okay. Yes. So these are the vowels and these are the consonants. Understood? So you have to know it. Which are the vowels, which are the consonants. You have to know very well, children. Okay. You have to practice it. Okay. After this, turn the page. So here children, we had to take here crayons. Okay. Take blue color crayons and green color crayons. So children here. So like this, capital with small letters you have to write it. A to Z. Okay. Yes. Circle the vowels with the blue crayons and consonants with the green crayons. Blue crayons we have to circle the vowels. Okay. And with the green color crayons we have to circle consonants. So here first we'll circle the vowels. So which are the 5 vowels? A. So you have to take the blue color crayons. Okay. So like this you have to take the crayons and circle the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So what these are? Yes, so these are the vowels, 5 vowels, is it? Yes. Okay. So next we have to circle the consonants with a green color. So like this green color take and circle the remaining letters. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So like this you have to circle it with the green color crayons consonants, and with the blue color crayons we have to circle the vowels. Okay. So like this all the what I taught in the revision class, this all you have to write it in your English 4-line notebook. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.